go. Good morning. So, fishing a weekday derby today. I think there's like 30 boats out on the James River. I'm up in the Appomattox right now. Haven't fished out here since the Elite 70 event in April or early May. We'll see how it goes. Found out about this tournament like a few days ago and I decided to jump in, so hopefully we can catch them today. It's 6:09, we gotta be back at the ramp at 2. Let's go catch them. Every single person is going that way. $7.25, haven't had a single bite yet. Throwing a buzzbait, throwing a Texas rig, crankbait. Tide's incoming and almost high right now. My biggest downfall. That's a catfish. All right, buddy. Just relax. Oh, big one. Gotcha. All right. Grass piece, fish number 1. Only took me like 3 hours. Oh, sorry, 4. Terrible, terrible start, but it's probably a 4-pounder. It's probably 3 something. He's beat up. Old fish. Shout out to Billy Bates. Hooked me up with one of these grass pieces. It's from Bass Puzzle. So this bait is just a different version of a chatterbait. Obviously you can see the blade is a lot smaller, and this is actually the mini blade version of this, but it's got this extended arm coming off the head there. It's really stout. And it's actually meant to be fished without a trailer. Got him. It's got to be a cat. Oh, it's another good bass. Come on. I thought that was a catfish. Let's go. That one's about it's just a little bit bigger. Probably a 4-pounder. 3 and no, he's 4. He's 4 something. The other one is probably low 3s. It's sick. Enjoy the ice palace, my friend. All right. Man, it has been a slow freaking day, but I got 2 good ones. Decent ones, I guess we'll call it. Definitely gonna need a retie after that. I was convinced it was a catfish because of the way it was pulling. It was just completely stuck underneath a limb. Wow. Pretty slick little bait. Now the question is, can I catch 3 more? I think it should just get better. I'm not good at fishing the tides at all, but I know high tide is not great, and that's basically what we've been fishing all morning. If we catch 3 more like that, might make a little money. Hey guys, quick interruption. It's time for the boat of the week, sponsored by my friends over at Angler's Choice. So this week we're taking a look at two different fishing skis. First up, we have a 2024 Ranger 212 LS, and we have a 2024 Triton 186 Allure. So let's go through the Ranger really quickly first. The hull is 21 foot 4 inches. It's powered by a 250 Mercury Pro XS 4-stroke. The boat comes with two Lowrance Elite 9s, a Minn Kota Altera 80-pound thrust, and of course you've got the single ski post on the back and a boarding ladder, so the fish and ski side of it comes together real nice. So next up, let's take a look at the Triton 186 Allure. So this has an 18 foot 6 inch hull. It's powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury Pro XS 4-stroke. Up front on the bow you have a Minn Kota Tarova, and overall the Triton has plenty of seating for the family, whether you're fishing or skiing. If you guys have any interest in either of these fishing skis, click the link down in the description below. You can go check them out over at Angler's Choice. So besides the boats of the week, we also still have the Mercury Repower promo going on. So if you're looking to repower your current boat, now is definitely the time to do it. Angler's Choice is waiving the install fee on the new motor, which can save you thousands of dollars. So huge thanks to my friends over at Angler's Choice for sponsoring this video. Let's get back into it. Number 3. Oh my. Relax, relax. Nice little keeper. Tried to get away. Probably 2 pounds or something. The day is turning around. 2 more. Got an hour and a half left. Check my line. Number 4, baby. This is so sick. Literally didn't get a bite for the first 4 hours of the day. And in the last 45 minutes I've caught 3 or 4. Man, I think the tide just got right. I don't really think it's much to do with what I am throwing. Quick line check. Let's get back after it. There's so much bait in this little pocket I'm in. You can see it all over the place. I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a little worried at like 11 when I had 0 fish and 0 bites and no idea what to do. That'll call. Barely, but it'll call. Relax, relax, relax. Ouch. Man, that hurt. Okay, we might as well start. We gotta weigh some of these fish. So that'll give us some time to call if we need to. But that'll definitely help. That last one was a squeaker. Gotta do another quick retie. But weighed all the fish. Just to figure out what we'll have to call. Make it easy in the last hour. We got 12.5 pounds right now. We literally, like an hour and a half ago, had 0. So, I'm stoked. Every fish on this little grass piece. Alright, let's go. We need some big ones. There is just an unbelievable amount of bait on this flat. Look, when I look at the graph, all that is bait. Like it's covered. It's crazy. close one. We have to get rid of a 167. This one's gonna be close. Yep, a little bit. Number 5 for 179. My line was like 30 feet to the left before I even noticed. It was so funny. That'll call. That'll call for sure. I pinned him good. Probably getting rid of number 5. Yeah, this is over 2 pounds. Yeah, makes me think that last one that I hooked was a catfish. Was not a catfish. 225 gives us 13 pounds. Getting rid of number 5. Angry dude right here. $121. It's a rage crawl. Literally the only other bait that I've caught fish on today. A rage crawl and a grass piece. Need another big one. Need like a 6. 20 minutes left. 2 more casts. Let's go. Not bad. Turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. So we ran back to weigh-in, and we ended up finishing with 13.30, which was good enough for 6th place. There were 35 boats that entered this event, so 6th place was the last check, which I am super happy about because I didn't really get that first fish until like 11 o'clock, maybe 11:30 actually. It was really the last like 2 hours of the day that I was catching fish, but I just never got in a good rotation. I think I was fishing the wrong areas for the current tide that I'd showed up, and yeah, I'm just really stoked that I was able to stumble upon anything. But that grass piece is a really interesting little chatterbait. I mean, it's not a chatterbait, it's a different version of it with the extended arm, and it just gives the bait a little bit different shimmy, especially when you're pausing it, and it just gives the fish a different vibration and a different feel because they probably see 1,000 chatterbaits a day. So I don't know if it really was making that much of a difference or if I just ran into fish that were eating because the tide changed. I'm not sure, but I do like that bait. The little arm on it's really stout. I'd never had to bend it back into place. You fish it without a trailer. I did fish it with the trailer for a little bit, but there's a... Well, my battery just died, so let's get some light. So the setup that I was throwing the grass piece on was a 7.2 medium heavy. That's the Shimano Corrado rod. I was throwing it with an SLX and 15-pound fluoro. I missed a couple bigger fish too, I think flipping. I just pinned them for a second and the hook came free. But had a good day. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. We'll see you on the next one.